थैंक यू सो मच। आप सबका बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है हमारे चैनल को। इसी तरह हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए, लाइक करते रहिए और शेयर करते रहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Welcome parents. In this segment wherein we are talking about the kids in the age group of 1.5 to 2.5 years, and in this segment we are talking a subject which we are saying as around the world. This sounds similar to general knowledge, but we are not saying it as a general knowledge because general knowledge consists of a bigger sphere, but around the world means something that child will come across on day-to-day basis, either currently or either in future. For example, in case of animals, they will be going to come across various animals like a dog, a cat, a cow. And in this segment around the world, we are having various heads. If you want, you can note down so that you can prepare at home also. In the heads, we are having self, then birds, then flowers, then fruits, then vegetables, then animals, nature, shapes, colors, transport, good habits, good manners. Under all these heads, we are having subheads also. For an example, we are having first head called self. Under this self, there are various subheads like myself, my body parts, my home, my family, my school. These type of subheads are available in all the heads also. Dear parents, all these heads that we have taken under the subject around the world, we have not taken all the heads for the sake of taking any heads. There is a complete philosophy behind all the heads. For an example, why we have taken the head called self, why we want our kids to learn myself, my body parts, my house, my school, my family. Why we want that? Because it is very, very important to develop independence, self-esteem and self-awareness in our kids, right? Through this, they will know who they are personally and what is special about them. It is very, very important to inculcate the realization that they are unique, so that they can love themselves and they can admire themselves. It is very, very important. And if you want to start this learning through our learning kit, you can check with any of our centers available at 150 plus locations, or you can send your name and city at the below mentioned WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.